a C++ language to control on-off 8 LED by using a push button. This I have 5 points can talk. So first, LED controller principle define 8 LED pins and button pins. Use derived function to control the on-off state of LED and realize the control of LED by button. LED cycle control. When the button is pressed, the LED lights up and turns off in turn, forming a cycle effect. When the button is released, all LEDs turn off, raising the the stacker switching control. Button start detection. Use the tail read function to read a button start judged whether the button is pressed by the start change and realize the trigger condition of LED control. Could structure analyze they could is divided into two paths: internalization and loop. Internalization set the LED and button pin model. The rest of button stay in the loops and controls the behavior of the LED light. Hardware and software in this work, you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hardware in this work. E.g. have a light, red bulb, Duban 9, on or off, Arduino, and other. And the software we can use Arduino LDE. So, point 1. Variable definition restriction. Define the points to which the 8 LEDs are connected. Detailed bins 2 to 9 defines the pin to which the button is connected. A non-bin A1 but used as a digital input defines several online variables. Button set store the button start, not use. Next start stores the last state of the button used to detect changes. State controls the correct start of the LED. Enter high I point E, the LED is on. Reading store the correctly read button start. To set up a function, initialize or LED path to out-up model. Initialize button pins to input model and enable internal pull-up returns. In-up plus use pull-up returns mean that when the button is not pressed, the pin read high. When the button is pressed, the pin is connected the GND and reads null. 3. Loop function button direction path read the correct state of the button into the read variable. Check if the button press the detector change from high to low. This is achieved by comparing the cast rate start reading with the last start. After directing the change, there 10 ms from the bus. Read the button start image to confirm if it is actually pressed. If it is confused to the pressed, reach the start variable from high to none or reach refund. For loop function LED control part, controller or LEDs rest on the value of the star variable if star is high, or LEDs are on if star is not, or LED are off. Finally, the create button star is served to last star for compression in the next loop. So let me watch the video. Is my work. So you can see the light turn or off. Okay, the light is done. The light is dark. So this is my work. So this work is successful. Okay, so the following questions are start turning the interval points. So 1, the button is invalid. Check the right is the button connected to A1 and GND. Currently, in model button pin input plus a rider for rating. 2. The LED is not on. Confirm the positive and the negative directions are the LED and whether the resistor is connected. 3. The space of the running light is too fast slow. Adjust the value of their 100 for expense change to their 200 to slow down. So this is my work. Thank you listening.